for an effective way to burn calories and get in better shape but don't have much room? The XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike is the perfect exercise tool to help you comfortably pedal away the calories. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB150 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance, while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort, the FB150 provides a large anatomically designed thick padded seat and large multi-grip padded handlebars. With folded dimensions under 17 inches by 18 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start the journey towards achieving your fitness goals today with the XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike.
The Marcy ME709 Recumbent Magnetic Resistance Exercise Bike combines the benefits of working out in a relaxed and comfortable seating position. Many of the features found on larger, more expensive recumbent exercise bikes are present on the ME709. The recumbent seating position keeps you comfortable throughout your workout, so you stay motivated to push further. Shape, firm, and tone your body while improving your stamina, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular conditioning. Features include smooth, quiet magnetic resistance, 8 preset levels of resistance, a comfortable seat with oversized pads, fully adjustable for people with different leg lengths. An easy-to-read computer displays your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. A step-through frame design makes it easy to get in and out. The Marcy ME709 is easily rolled away for storage when you're done with your workout.
The advanced folding frame design and multi-seating positions of the XTERRA Fitness FB350 folding bike maximizes your use of space while providing a workout that is comfortable and effective. The padded lower back pad, large anatomically designed thick padded seat, and padded seat handles combine to give you a comfortable secondary seating position that will keep you working out longer. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB350 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance, while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort and convenience, the FB350 features large multi-grip padded handlebars and an accessory holder for your remote control or phone. With folded dimensions under 21 inches by 20 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start on the road to fitness today with the XTERRA Fitness FB350 folding bike and exceed your expectations.
Introducing the Exerpeutic 500 XLS, 400-pound weight capacity foldable magnetic upright bike, a space-saving way to get a great cardiovascular workout. The Exerpeutic 500 XLS is designed for easy mounting and dismounting, and features a large cushioned seat for more comfortable workouts. Made with a durable steel frame, the Exerpeutic 500 XLS has a supermax weight capacity of up to 400 pounds and can accommodate users from 5 foot 1 inches to 6 foot 5 inches comfortably. The oversized foot pedals come with safety straps to help prevent any foot slippage while exercising. Designed with a U-shaped rear stabilizer, this bike is sturdy with minimal movement when working out or dismounting. Built with a 3-piece high-torque cranking system, the pedaling is smooth, making it easy to reach a consistent pedaling motion. The precision balance flywheel and V-belt drive make the 500 XLS very quiet, so you can watch TV or listen to your favorite music. You can easily challenge yourself by adjusting the dial tension adjustment knob to any of its 8 levels of magnetic tension. Be in control with an easy-to-read large computer LCD display that indicates time, speed, distance, calories burned, odometer, and pulse, while heart pulse sensors allow you to monitor your heart rate and stay within your target heart rate zone. Best of all, the Exerpeutic 500 XLS can be folded to half its operating size for storage and can be easily moved with its built-in transportation wheels. So, let's get started getting fit and healthy right in your own home with the Exerpeutic 500 XLS Foldable Magnetic Upright Bike.
Commit to get fit with the Easy Adjustable Seat Recumbent Bike. Slide rail and easy adjust lever make moving the seat seamless. Soft grip handles with pulse sensors help to stabilize and calculate heart rate. Easy-to-use LCD monitor provides many features to monitor your workout. Tension control knob easily adjusts 8 levels of resistance. Maximum comfort with large cushioned back and seat. Self-leveling pedals with adjustable straps make placing your feet in and out simple and easy. Made for a variety of users with a weight capacity of 300 pounds, built-in transportation wheels make moving easy. Fitness made easy with the Easy Adjustable Seat Recumbent Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.